All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Alpha Trader is finally out. I just got blessed with a 25K account. So we're going to go through basically a walkthrough on these accounts, just kind of a first look. Take a look at everything. I'm showing you guys the new platform. Alpha Futures is running a massive sale right now. I'm not 100% sure. I'm recording this the night before just because I'm trying it out for the first time right now and I wanted to get this video done now. But Alpha Futures is running a sale as of right now. I'll have the percentage up at the top of the screen. So if you guys want to use my code, you guys will get the best discount available. And yeah, let's run through these accounts. So again, this has been in the works for a long time. So super excited to actually use this. I just tried a quick execution. I'm going to show you guys an execution in the video and we're just going to kind of glance through it. If you guys have used Project X, if you guys have used TradeC, it's basically like a very similar thing. It's almost the same thing, but I know a lot of you guys who love trading Alpha Futures, especially with the new premium plan, which has the bigger payout caps and all that stuff. You guys want to trade Alpha, but maybe you don't want to trade Tradevate because the copy trader does get kind of confusing. This is going to have the built-in copy trader on here as well. So it's very simple. I looked at it already really quick, but yeah, we're going to go through everything really quick. So at the top, obviously you're going to have your balance, your equity, all that stuff like that. And your accounts are going to be right here. You can save your layouts. You know, if you guys have used Project X and stuff like that, it's basically the same thing. But I just want to give you guys a look at this before you actually go ahead and buy one of these accounts. So at the top here, you can obviously add the symbols you want to trade. So I added ES, MNQ, MES, and NQ. You just type that in and then you would just add with the plus right here. And then at the bottom, I just have this one account with Alpha Trader right now. So you can see the account. But this is where the accounts will pop up. You can see the status active. This is an eval. And obviously when it goes to funded, you'll see that change. Created at, updated at, you go to positions. When you take a position, it will pop up here, all of your orders. As you can see, I placed a trade and then closed it really quick. And then you could see trades as well pop up here. So like your trade history, you can see the price open, close, very simple stuff like you guys have seen. You can obviously change your charts, everything like that. If you go into settings, you can mess with all of this. I put my regular chart colors on and stuff like that. Now to place an order, you can go to the right here. You're going to have the order tab. I believe you can shift everything around. So if you want to move it down here, you can have it like that. Hopefully I can move that back to how it was. But yeah, you could just kind of mess with everything and put it wherever you want. And yeah, it's very customizable. So if you want to place, you know, a trade, say you're on NQ, you can obviously change this from the drop down menu right here and then change whichever one you want. And then you put market order, limit, stop, or trailing stop. And then you're going to hit the amount of contracts that you want. You can have your OCO brackets on. If you put that on, that's one where you take a trade and one order cancels out the other. But yeah, pretty simple stuff. You guys all probably know how to work this if you guys have used any prop from Tradevate, even like you know this. But this right here is something you guys might like. This is the quick trade. I believe TradeC, it's called the scalp tool or something like that. I usually use Tradevate for Lucid, but I have seen they have this basically. So if you want to get in a trade really quick, you could just press from here. You could see it's on NQ. So make sure it's on the instrument that you're trading. So you could just hit buy or sell and it'll get you in the trade really quick if you don't want to go over here. So going over to the top, you can click this and it's going to open up. You can open up multiple tabs at the top right here. And then we're going to go through the side. Let me just pull up, okay, trade panel. No, so you can open up multiple things. And then if we go over to settings, this is where, okay, wait, what's going on here? One sec here. Okay, yeah, settings. So in general, obviously you could put your volume, like your notifications on, and then copy trading. So if you guys want to use a copy trading platform, it's built in. Again, just like Project X, it's going to be built in for you guys. So you could put your lead account and then you could put your follower accounts and you can create the groups. So I'm sure you guys know this. The risk settings and the privacy is still coming soon. So I'm assuming that's just going to be just like what Project X has. But again, this is just the first glance. So maybe that will update tomorrow. We'll see. And I'm going to place an execution for you guys really quick, just on like MNQ or MES. Just to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see right here, I already placed one. So we're on MES. Let's just use this tool right here. And then if you guys like to drag your stop loss and your take profit, you're going to be able to do that with Alpha Trader. So if that's something you guys liked with Project X and you still, you know, are on Alpha and you want to trade this, that is something now you're able to do. Again, with the time frames, you could switch everything right here. You got your 30-second chart. You have your 15-second chart. So if you're somebody who doesn't have TradingView Premium and you want to use a 30-second chart, you want to use a 15-second chart, you're able to use that here, which is great because I personally sometimes do like to use the 30-second, and I don't have TradingView Premium. I don't really care to buy it. So if you are trading right off of this platform, you can just use it. So I'm just going to place, I don't know, I'm just going to place a sell really quick, or no, I'll place a buy. We'll just see what happens here. And let's just drag our stop loss, down here. And then you can confirm, put this, you take profit right here, and then you're going to click confirm. So that's going to basically lock it in. So there you go. Already getting, cooked on this trade, but it's just a few dollars, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so you can move everything if you want. You could set it there. Just make sure to confirm it in the right window. And yeah, I'm going to close this trade out. But as you guys can see, we lost a few dollars on that trade, but executions pop up, right after. And yeah, very simple. So not much else to go over, guys. If you guys have used these trading platforms, it's just great to have this available on alpha now. This has been in the works for a long time. So if you guys have any questions about this before you want to buy an account, let me know. Again, Alpha Futures sale is on right now. But yeah, that's it from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, just the first glance. If there's any updates or anything, I'll make more videos on this, but really liking the platform so far. And yeah, it's a nice change up from using Tradovate and TradingView, because I really prefer just like dragging take profit and stop loss. It's just so much easier. But anyway, that's it from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, if you guys have any questions, just comment below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.